I want to start with these two buttons, and I want to get rid of them if we're not authenticated. So in place item, which is where we have these buttons, we're interested in the context. So here, use context, and then let's import the auth context from shared context auth context, and as before, create our auth object here by using use context and listening to auth context. So now we have access to the auth context here in place item. We can now use that here to control our buttons. Not these buttons though, these buttons here, edit and delete. And I want to make sure that only if auth is logged in as true, I'm able to see these buttons. So the edit button is only visible in that case, and the same here. Only if auth is logged in as true, we should be able to see the delete button. Hence, if I save that and this reloads, you see I don't see the buttons. If I now log in though, like this, and I go to a place, I see them. So that's nice. Now, it would also be nice to have a logout button. So for that, we can go to nav links and add one. Here, maybe at the very end of the unordered list, I will check if auth is logged in as a thing, because a logout button only makes sense if we are logged in. And in that case, I'll add a new list item here with a button in it. Actually, a regular button now. Of course, you maybe created your own solution here. I'll go for a regular button. And on this button, I'll have a caption of logout. And upon a click, I want to trigger auth logout. I'll not execute it here. Instead, I just point at it so that when the button is clicked, this is executed. With that, if we save this, we can log in here. And now we have this logout button here with some default styling because of the CSS, which already is set up there. When we click that, we are logged out. Now let's see if we also are redirected. If I'm on add place and I click logout, yeah, I'm back to authenticate. So this all seems to work just fine. And of course, it's not the full, real, final login flow yet. There is more we will have to manage there. But for the moment, this will do. And this is a good introduction to React, to building a full app with React, and now also to how you can manage app-wide state in React with help of the context feature.